Okay, so in this video we're gonna install virtual env. So in this video we're gonna install only, we're not gonna set up. So it's on the next video, find it on my next video, that how to set up virtual env or something like that. And yeah, so on this part we're gonna install only the virtual env. So pip install virtual env, something like that. And yeah, everything's working fine if you install this. And yeah, so that's how we're gonna install virtual env. On the next part we're gonna set up our virtual env, so I'm gonna give you the reason and why you need to install virtual env if you're developing on Python. And yeah,